Hi guys! In today's video we'll be looking into primitives and deformers and how to use them. Hello guys! In today's video we'll be looking how to use primitives and deformers to create something that you need for your sculpting. So I created this little skull. Let's get rid of the planes. And I created this jar area with primitives. And we will be looking how to do that. So, okay. First, I will insert here a cube. Then I will go to the cube and activate transparency, and I will scale the cube down and put it here right in the place we can disappear the upper skull and scale this in this direction, for example, and make it longer. Okay, I have now a cube, but this cube has only a little more faces. So there are some options that I can do now. I can simply click here on this gear icon and I will get to the deformers and to the primitives. So I can select this cube and, for example, this cube can be a polysphere, but of course that will be not useful when I change the cube to a polysphere or anything else, or to a ring. But I have here some options like deformer hard, bevel, bend cube, flatten, multispace, remesh, extender crease, and I will select the bend curve. And I here have some cones, and I will activate this cone because there is standing here, as you see right now. No, 0, no, 1, yes, and symmetrical, yes. Then these are the options for the axis where these points appear. And I have created a smoothness. Now it's okay. I can create more of these points. Right? So I will deactivate the polyframe mode. And I have these points. And with these points, I can move these points, of course. So I will move them to here. And for example, this part, I have here a scale point, so I can scale this. So I will scale this. Here, scale up. Here, scale down. Here, scale down. And here, I can simply move this up a bit. Then I simply click the accept button here, and I have deformed my cube, and with the move brush And of course, that happens a lot to me. I have deactivate symmetry. Damn. Right. So mirror and weld. No, we want first mirror it. Yes. No. Here we will mirror it, and then we mirror and weld, and then we can activate the symmetry again, and then start to move the areas and try to match it. Now I can simply Z-remesh it. And as you can see, guys, I created this skull, this jar area. Sorry, it's not, I created the skull, yeah, right. And of course, you can, with primitives, and I'm deformed them, and that's how you create or use primitives for your art. Of course, the full skull, I've been working a bit more on it, and this is the part where the most details are. But in a few minutes, I simply created this part, and when I want, that I can recreate the whole teeth part, simply just unmask them from the top part, because they have all polyframes. Just copy them, and I have the next jar part. Perhaps I will create a deform jar part. I hope that you find that helpful. When it is so, then please like and share this video. Now back to me again. Okay guys, that's it. So okay guys, now you know all about deformers and primitives and how to use them in ZBrush, and for the good we know how to use in your art. And now you know how to do that. So I hope that you find that video helpful. When this is so, then please like and share this video. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask them in the comment section down below. I will try to ask them as soon as I can. If I don't mention something you want to know, just write a comment. I will make a video about that. You can follow me on Twitter, Facebook or Instagram. The links are shown here in the window right now. Thanks for your time and thanks for watching, guys, and I hope we see us there next times. Keep ZBrushing!